Hi everybody, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to show you how to check if your stick has a virus without using an antivirus. So we have this stick here, but we're going to use two operating systems. So I'm going to get you here one stick, and I put it on Windows. I'm going to put it on Windows XP. Yes. So once I put it there, I'm going to come on this computer and I check for you. You're going to see. Once the stick is in, what we do, we can check the stick if it's in. Yeah, it's here. It's a E. Once you click here, you can see all these files. You can see when you put in all these files, what happens. What happens here is there is no file which shows you that there is a virus, but if we use a different operating system, we're gonna see it. Also, if we use a command prompt, we're gonna see it. So let me see if we can see CMD. If we see CMD and say we're gonna see, it's gonna see E, because that's the E. We say okay, then we say dir, gonna say directory. So you can see when we say dir, still we can't see it, but there's a file which we have to something which we have to, a command which we have to do to see that. You get me? So now for in this case we cannot find our virus, but I did a video where we can find it using CMD. So let me go to the operating system, another operating system, without wasting any time. Then you're gonna see it straight. So I'm taking it out from Windows, then I'm gonna go to Linux. You're gonna see Linux shows that 100% easy, same time. So once I go in here and I put it in Linux, so I insert that. Once I insert that, it's gonna come. It's gonna open. Let's see, close this. This is the 8 gig stick. When you click there, it's still syncing. Let me close everything. Let me see if it's ready. Yes, it's ready. So you see, when you're here, you can see this is a virus, Autorun.inf. Did you see it? Autorun.inf. But in Windows you can't see that. So what do? So we're gonna go to the Windows machine. We show you how to get it, how to see if you can get that. You get me? So I'm gonna go there and I put it back there. Then you're gonna see that I'm gonna get it right. So something simple. I'm gonna insert the stick inside. I'm gonna go to my command prompt again. So I'm gonna go to my command prompt, but there's some command I'm looking for here. I'm gonna show you the commands to use that. Let me see. We not on our side, matter. On our side, we not agree. Whenever we're going to share, if ever is 3%, is 1%, is 2%, then we're going to share all equal. There's no one who can say I'm getting you the command here. No, it doesn't go back. We not agree. I'm getting them to you, but guys, move. Okay, it's gonna be simple, easy. Okay, I got the command now. This command is gonna help you to see that virus. You saw that we could not see it. Let me open it. You can see this stick. We can see it. We don't see that Autorun at, because it's a hidden file here. What it does, it hides itself when it's on Windows, but on Linux you can't hide. So you come here and go to your command prompt. Then you type in E, because you don't just type in E. You see which memory stick, your memory stick name. You can see it shows E. Some of them they show you D. So it depends on the things. So then you write the way it is, E. Then put colon, then it's gonna access that. You're gonna type in like here capital E. If it's a D, put D, capital D or E. This is E, colon, enter. When you finish doing that, then you're going to type in a command which is going to be attribute minus space H. It's going to be ATT, which is attribute, ATT. Wait, should be small letters, ATT. Attribute, you end there, say space minus S space minus H space. Then we say /S/D/S space /D. After typing that, you say space. Still, you need a space. You put star. I think there's a star here, and dot star. Okay, which is like that. I'm getting the full command now. It's written somewhere here. You know, some of the commands you can't be in your head all the way. So okay, you say star space. When you get that, I'm gonna get space. Okay, I think that is all. Then I'm gonna say enter. Once I enter, it's gonna go somewhere, and let's wait, give it time, still searching. Let's give it some time, it's gonna show you. But if you have a Linux machine, it's gonna be simple for you, very easy. Okay guys, let's wait. It's gonna work. It takes time, it's still syncing because the stick has a lot of files, so that's why it's passing through each and every file. So it's done. When it's done, it's gonna show you this. Once it's show you that, then you say dir, which means directory. So you're gonna show everything on the stick. Now we can see that we gonna get that file. Let's get the file. You can see now we see the file, but before we could not see the file. You can see the file. This is a file. It's an Autorun file. So what are we gonna do now? You can delete this, but first you have to rename this. You get me? So I did another tutorial how to remove it, but let me add that just two seconds for you. What you do, it's the file is called autorun.inf. What you do, you say rename. You're gonna rename that space autorun.inf space, then you put what you want to name it. I'm gonna say y. You get me? Once you rename that, you say enter. Okay, we've done that. So now we're gonna go to our stick, and you can see that the virus is no more having power. So because now it can't hide anymore, we made it like this. So you can right click here and delete it, or you can use a command prompt and say the same name, this name. I want to show you, but here you can delete it like the way you do in Windows, but here in the same name you can use command prompt to delete a virus on your machine. So what you do, you say del, which means delete, then you paste that name you want to delete from the stick, say enter. After that, are you sure? Then put y, which means yes, then say okay. After that, the file is gonna move. So let's go back and see if we can see the file again. That file is still there. Command prompt did not help us. Something happened. Are you sure you want to? Okay, let me recall the commands. Okay, there, Okay. Are you sure you want to delete this? I'm gonna put a Y, which is yes, and say enter. Maybe because the file is opened. Okay, I'm gonna do this. If it's not deleted, it's fine. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get it here and I delete it straight. Okay. Okay. Should be deleted. Now the file is gone. You can't use it anymore. You can see. That's super fine, guys. Even if we call the commands, we cannot see that file, the one we used, dir. Okay. You can see the YYY is not there and the info is not there. You can see everything is done. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next video.